good? Wagwan, my name is Munchilu and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. Now I know you're looking at me like, Munch, you look a little bit different. What's going on? Can you tell? Can you figure it out? Well, one, I'm not wearing my glasses, but I'm not wearing my glasses because I wanted y'all to see this bomb AF lash set that I just got done. I just came from the lash tech. I paid $100 for this. What y'all think? Was it worth it?
Stop the cap.
Just kidding. I just did these lashes on my own self. Yes, me, by myself, by my own self. Just did these lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys guess how much it cost me. 80? Did someone say 80? 70? 60? 50? 50. It gotta be around 50, right? Nope. $15. $15. And listen, I'm no professional, but so I guess you guys can already tell what we're talking about today. I'm going to show you how I got these bomb AF lashes for under $15, girl. Yes, $15. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, it does take some patience, all right? You need patience for this one. But once you've done it a few times, you get used to it and it becomes easier. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, and I was going for more of a classic, natural looking set, but if you wanted to do more of a volume set or a doll eye, you definitely can achieve that look as well. You can literally do whatever you want to do. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching this video. But before we get started, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos from me, and also hit that like button. You're already here and you can already see that I'm about to put you on game. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I will be using today. So this is what I have here. You guys can see that. So this is the Lash View individual lashes. I got this on Amazon, and of course the link will be down below. I got a mix set, so let me show you guys what comes in it. Also guys, please, like, don't talk about my face. I'm breaking out. It's that time again. So yeah, so it comes with this lash glue. I won't be using this. I'm going to show you guys the lash glue that I got to use with this. It came with a tweezer, 2 sets of lashes. Now they're different sizes. Okay, so for the first set we have 8, 10, and 12 right here, and then for the second set is 12 with 2 sets of 14. So 14 is the longest I have. I didn't want to go any longer than that. Disrespectful. So 14 is the longest I have. I didn't want to go longer than 14 because it's my first time doing this. I didn't want to look too crazy. I didn't want to do too much. So I just wanted to do like a simple classic style first. And if it works out, girl, I'm giving me the 16, the 18, the 20, the 22, the 24. If you guys notice, they are already in clusters, meaning you don't have to make your own clusters. Usually if you get individual, like literal individual lashes, you can either install them individually or you can make your own cluster. I want this to be as simple as possible, so that's why I looked for clusters. And then let me show you the lash glue that I got. I got this lash glue. This lash glue is tiny as hell. So I got the Ardell Lash Tight Dark Adhesive. So this is what it looks like. So I've seen multiple people recommend using this tweezer to take up the lashes just because it's easier to go ahead and just place in between your lash. So I think it's time we begin. I'm just gonna take like a drop of this and drop it. I see most people dropping it on top of their lash thing. All right, it's coming. Can y'all see? Oh, I'm nervous, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I just realized that I have no idea what I'm doing, and is it working, yes or no? Am I just not doing it properly? Alright guys, so this is how my eyes look so far. I might add some more to this one to give it a little bit more volume. Or not, I actually really like it. I think it looks very natural. You can see a difference when I do this. But yeah, now we're gonna move on to our next eye. Hopefully I get some good angles. I'm not sure I got like good angles before. So again, we're gonna be starting with the 8. Right here, from the inner corner coming in to the middle, we transition into the 10, and then I go all the way to the end with the 12, and then with the 14 I come back in. Does that make sense? Well, you're gonna see. I'm gonna be using this because this is less stress, to be honest. The other one is stressing me out. I'm not gonna sit here and act like everything is all butterflies and unicorn farts, because it's not, okay? That, and I put it right on top like this. Alright, and we don't apply it right away, we're gonna let it dry. I think if I continue to do this, I will definitely get a hang of it. You know, it's my first time doing it, so okay, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. I just really hoped I got a few good clips showing you exactly what I did, because trying to record and trying to put things literally on top of your eyeball, especially when you're blind as me and I need something like right in front of my face to see, it was a little bit challenging trying to record and get the good angles. I just really hope I have some good clips to show you guys. The trickiest part for me was actually getting the glue at the perfect time when it's the right amount of tacky and can just stick on your eye. This glue that I see everybody talking about, y'all are liars, okay? Either somebody capping or I'm dumb, because this did not work for me at all. I probably have 2 lashes on that were actually applied with this, with the lash glue that they provided, and that's what I use most of the time. Girl, this is going right back to Amazon. So I actually like the lash glue that they send. Longevity, I'm not sure. I'll definitely give you guys an update to see how long these actually last with the lash glue that they provided in this set. So this is the amount I have left from the 12, 14, 14. I have a lot left. So this one, half of the 8, 2/3 of the 10, and half of the 12. So I use most of the 12 from this pack. So as you guys can see, I have a lot, and there's also a lot that fell like on the floor and just like disappeared or blew away. I can see me using this for probably 3, that's probably pushing it, 2 to 3 more sets maybe. So for $14.99 for 3 to 4 sets, come on now, you can't beat that. Your birthday weekend, you know, Valentine's weekend, you know, you have a little trip. So for a few days, I think this definitely will last the few days. Again, I'm not sure about the longevity. I'll be testing it out. I'll definitely let you guys know if they all fall off by the time I'm finished recording this video. So these are C curls. I'm not quite sure which is the most curly. I'm pretty sure they have others that are more curly because these don't really curl that much. So these are more natural curl. I think a D curl is probably more curly. So I'm also going to leave the link to this glue just in case anybody, you know, is curious or they know how to use it properly, but it just was not working out for me. I might, oh wait, they got instructions. I might try these again. I might give them another try because, as I said, I've seen a lot of people talk about this and use this, so maybe I was just doing it completely wrong. I don't know. Also, if you guys have any tips about doing your own lashes, just go ahead and leave them down in the comments so we can help each other out, and anybody else who's watching this video. So as always, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this? Do you think it's worth it? Or you're like, girls, I'm just gonna stick with my lash lady. I thank you so much for watching this video. I definitely appreciate it. If you would like to see more content by me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you think this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up as well. You guys can also follow me on Instagram if you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. And if anyone's out there, bye.